My name is Coco Mears, and I'm CEO and co-founder of Equilibria. Today, I wanted to share a few reasons why our CBD is unlike many of the other brands that you may see out there. One, genetics. We are proud owners in our bioscience and farm partner, which means that from the very beginning, before these plants are even in the soil, we are ensuring that each and every strain is optimized for maximum cannabinoid and terpene expression. Those are the molecules that help make the CBD work therapeutically for you. Two, single source. We take those genetics, and as owners in our own farm, we know exactly where those plants are planted, and that the agricultural systems and processes are rigorous and consistent, batch after batch, month after month. Three, hand harvested flower. It's definitely not the least expensive way to make full spectrum hemp oil, but it's the only way for us because we are committed to your hemp oil having maximum amounts of CBD and other powerful therapeutic cannabinoids and terpenes. The flower is where those therapeutic ingredients live, and so we are committed to harvesting only that flower to produce the most efficacious oil for you.